Case number 2. I'm basically going from memory, not the book. But the object is greater than 2F. Okay, the object is greater than 2F. In other words, here's the lens, here's F. Oh. Object is greater than 2F. Here's the principal axis, Here's the lens, here's F. The focal length, here's 2F, just doing it by eyesight. And I'm going to put the object out here, right here. So it's beyond there. Okay? So we've moved it up from infinity to here. So case 2, I move it to here. I'll tell you ahead of time, case 3, I'm going to move it to here, right at 2F. Then I'm going to have case 4 be between 2F and F. Case 5 is at F. And case 6 is right there between F and the lens. So here's case 1's at infinity. Case 2 is beyond 2F. Case 3 is at 2F. And then there's one between 2F and F. There's one at F. Case 6 is right here between the focal length and the lens. That, by the way, is a magnifying glass. Case 6. Okay. Now, guys, the sun, I told you, the rays cross, and you get a real image. It's called a real image. Okay? So, guys, you got to memorize these rays. The primary ray goes from, you got to write it down, the top of object. Okay? That's the first path. You're learning how to do ray diagrams. Then you have to go through what we call F prime. We go through F prime, and I got to make this super accurate, otherwise it won't work so well. F prime. So I go ahead and I go from this, from where I was through F prime. That's called the primary ray. Okay, the secondary ray goes from the top of the object, okay, right through the center where the principal axis and the lens meet, and then it goes that's the secondary rays. And the tertiary ray goes, well, that's all you really need. Now, this is where the two rays meet. So, guys, here's the image. Here's the image. Did everybody draw that? Now, does this image, the height of the image, does it look like it's got smaller or larger as far as the height goes with your ray diagrams? Can anybody tell me? It's the same. It's about the same? It's hard to tell. Okay, guys. I think it's gotten a little small. It's gotten a little larger. Okay, but we got the lens maker's equation coming up to give you the exact answer. Anyways, now, if this is F and this is 2F prime, the image seems to be between, the image is beyond 2F prime. The image, the distance, is greater than 2F prime. Okay, guys, let's just take this to be 10 centimeters. The lens maker's equation is, okay, the following. Okay, it's 1 over F equals 1 over distance to the object plus 1 over distance to the image. My question is going to be, where is the distance to the image? Okay, if F is 5 centimeters, and we have So 2f would be 10, and let's put this at 15. So the distance to the object here, d naught, is going to be, this distance here is going to be 15 centimeters. Okay guys, so 1 over f, and I said f was 5 centimeters, the focal length. This is a smaller lens than the one you have, equals 1 over d naught. I said the distance to the